Now go, go.
Aloha everybody, thanks for tuning in to Photoluke Hawaii for your weekly Hawaii update. It is Saturday, July 18, 2020. Here are our current numbers. The 14-day quarantine is in effect at least until August 31st, 2020. The pre-flight nucleic acid amplification test, the NAAT, program for COVID-19 that would make it so you don't have to do the 14-day mandatory quarantine has been pushed back until September 1st, 2020. Sorry, I know some of you are disappointed about that. I believe they're still trying to work out the kinks in this and better prepare for the program. Initially, they said the program would start August 1st, 2020. I'll leave the link for Hawaii State Department of Health website, State of Hawaii Department of Health website, and gohawaii.com for all your current COVID and travel to Hawaii information. There will also be a link for our Hawaii News Now and KHON2 News website and YouTube channels. Public schools are on track to reopen August 4, 2020 with new health and safety guidelines. They're gonna have to wear a mask all day long, except for PE, band, and lunch. Austin is excited to go back to school. He misses his friends, but there is a fear that the infection rate will go up once school starts again. If a child gets it from school, they bring it home, the possibility of the whole family getting it is pretty good. Then the working members of the family can't go to work, and that's a good scenario. You know, a bad scenario would be if a grandparent, a kupuna, at home gets it, and that won't be good. Or some family member has a bad reaction to the virus. That would be a bad scenario. But let's hope we don't have much of that at all, or none at all. Would be better, right? It is so surreal what we are all facing in this time with COVID-19, trying to deal with it, trying our best to get back into our daily lives as much as possible now, get into work and school. It's just who could imagine we would be having to deal with something like this. As a reminder, take your mask with you whenever you leave the house, because you never know when you're going to need it. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water, especially when you're outside and you're touching things. And if you don't have soap and water, hand sanitize with sanitizing gel. For some proper exercise techniques and great workouts, check out Dan Kaiser on YouTube. Dan and my classmate Joy show you some great exercises you can do from home. Please check them out and subscribe to them and show your support. Their link will be down below. I'm super out of shape and have been trying some of their workouts, and I'm already feeling better. Dan Kaiser on YouTube. The link will be down below. Mele in Hawaii is today, Saturday, July 18, 2020 at 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. It's going to be featuring Ellie Mack, Justin Kavika Young, and Tanel. You can watch it on Facebook or YouTube. Go to hakuhawaii.com for the links and for more information. I'll have our hakuhawaii.com link down below. Photoluke Hawaii is sponsored by Molokai Hawaiian music artist Lono. Go to lonomusic.com, show him support, and buy one of his music CDs today. lonomusic.com. His link is down below. Also sponsored by Sharkdog Designs Hawaii for your t-shirt printing needs. You can email Clinton at sharkdog808@yahoo.com for all t-shirt printing inquiries. Check out Photoluke Hawaii Travels and Bon Dance channel to see what we do on trips and if you're into Bon Dance. I'll have that link down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. Also, if you want to help us out a little bit more, you can check out our Patreon page. That link will be down below. And also, we have a new PayPal link, and that link will be down below also. Thanks so much everybody for your support. Thanks for watching. Sorry I haven't gotten back on the comments yet. I've been super busy trying to do stuff with family too at home. I will get to it, I promise. Mahalo nui lo, which means thanks very much. Malamapono, which means take care. Ahuiho, which means until next time. Aloha. Thanks everybody. Take care. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. It's going to be Arizona Memorial. Don't forget, again, check out Dan Kaiser for some great workouts. All right, guys.